fault circuit interrupters that's not working. This one plugs into a regular outlet. It has a power light, a test button, and a reset button. And to get into it, it has these security Torx bits. And at Harbor Freight, you can buy a security bit fairly cheap. I want to say $10, or if they're on sale, maybe even less. But anyways, there's 6 of these screws. And when you take it off, you can see the back side of the board. And you can see here where it got hot, and there's a resistor on the other side. And but anyways, you pop the cord out. Evidently someone's been in here before, because you can see some silicone caulking when they put it back together, and you can see where it did get hot. We're gonna flip this over, and it's got there's more to it than I thought there would be, but there's quite a bit of circuitry here. We got an IC chip, multiple resistors, got a bridge rectifier right there in the bottom right hand corner, and we got some contacts right there. So the first thing, this thing wasn't working, and you'd have to like bang on it, and then it would start working. So what I did was, I got my multimeter here. And I put it on ohms where you can test. And I was going from here to here, and then you got to push the contacts down. Well, also there's contacts on this side, there and there. And anyways, on this side I was getting good connection, but on this side it was making connection, but the connection was not very good. It had the ohms were high. So I'm gonna go ahead and use, I got a needle file set. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the contacts and then retest, and then go from there. So I took this needle file and I stuck it in here between the contacts there and rubbed it back and forth. And then I took this CRC electronic cleaner and sprayed it on the contacts, and I let it dry. And then I test it with my ohm meter from there to here where the wire goes out. And then I pushed the contact down, and I got a very good connection now. I went ahead and sprayed cleaner all over the board to clean it up real good. So now my next step is to plug it in and then see if it works on its own, and if the test button works and the reset button works. So if it does, I just fixed it by cleaning the contacts. You can see, trying to get it to focus. You can see there's contacts right there, and that was the dirty one. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. Now we can see the light comes on and stays on, and even by shaking it, because before when I shook it, it either would come on or go off. So by cleaning those contacts and spraying it with the contact cleaner has fixed this GFIC. And go ahead and put it back together, and then we'll test it again. I went ahead and put all 6 screws back in, and let's plug it in. So the light comes on, staying on. Hit the test button, it kicks off just like it should. Hit the reset, it comes back on. So I'd say this is a fix, and if you have a similar problem, maybe your contacts are just dirty. But always never take this apart while it's plugged in. Always unplug it to be safe. You don't want to work on that live because you can get electrocuted. Thanks for watching.